The sounds of war, sleeping on a plane, and a giant visitor.
Here are 5 things to know before you go to bed. Animals left stranded in the Ukrainian town of Kharkiv are learning to deal with the sounds of war. 3 dolphins and 2 beluga whales remain at an aquarium there, and a trainer says given their sizes and age, moving them is almost impossible now. At the beginning of the invasion, the mammals became stressed from the noises of Russian attacks, but they've learned to adapt and are now calmer. The aquarium does remain open to the public, though shows have been canceled. Only 5 of the aquarium's 130 employees remain.
It's a windfall for 2 people from Illinois who will now share the nation's 3rd largest lottery prize. 2 people who wish to remain anonymous came forward Wednesday to claim the whopping $1.3 billion jackpot. They finally reached out to lottery officials nearly 2 months after the single Mega Millions ticket was sold in a Chicago suburb. They opted to take the lump sum payment of $780.5 million.
United Airlines is reportedly working to resume flights to Cuba. Flights were suspended in March 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The airline says it's been working to relaunch service for months. In the past, United flew 7 flights a week to Havana from its hubs in Houston, Texas, and Newark, New Jersey.
If you're flying to New Zealand, you can now leave from the East Coast and soon do so in economy sleeping pods. Air New Zealand adding direct flight service from New York, and coming in 2024, the airline will be adding bunk bed style Skynests. These sleeping pods will let even economy class flyers stretch out and rest for the long haul flight.
Imagine seeing this giant lizard climbing up your screen door. It happened in Apopka, Florida. According to wildlife officials, this type of lizard is not native to Florida. The main way they are introduced to the state is by people who keep them as pets and release them if they become too difficult to care for. There you go, 5 things to know before you go to bed.